Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in this video, I will show you how to change your Twitter display name and handle. Now, this is going to be very quick and easy, so let's start. So first up here, let's go ahead and open up Twitter. And from here, you want to tap on your profile icon on the upper left corner and tap on Profile, tap on Edit Profile. And here, this is where you can change your Twitter name. So you can just tap on it and type in your new name and tap on save. To change your handle, you can go again and tap on your profile icon on the upper left corner. And here, tap on settings and privacy. Tap on your account information, and right here is your username or your handle. Now to change it, you just need to tap on it and type in your new handle or your new username and tap on done. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.